This is how you're gonna turn off Gemini on your Android phone. So there are currently two ways how I can use it on my device. At first, we have the dedicated app downloaded in here, so I can look up Gemini like this, hold down on the icon and click on uninstall to make sure it removes from my device as a standalone app. And I just click on OK, and now the app is gonna disappear from my phone. But it is still right there whenever I'm doing something on my phone and I hold it down on the home button in the middle like this. You can see that the Gemini gets pulled up and I can start talking to it and ask questions. And in order to turn it off in there, go to the settings app like this. Make sure you are on the main settings page, and in there scroll through the menus until you find apps. And at the top we have the default apps. And from those, we're going to click on the digital assistant app and we can choose which one it's going to be. So for me, it is set to Google, but I can set it to none like that. And that's how it's going to be. So now whenever I hold down, nothing happens. So thanks a lot. I'm going to catch you later in future uploads. Stay tuned and I'll see you later.